Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research.
Hello friends. In the current week we have seen that the Nifty has closed at a mark of 13,635 with a massive weekly loss of 737 points, or in terms of percentage it was a loss of 5.12%. Now in our earlier commentary, as we have stated in the previous week, that Nifty was continuously facing selling pressure at higher level, which has been confirmed by the price action in the current week. In this week, the Nifty has stopped making higher top, higher bottom formation and started making a lower top, lower bottom formation. And also, it has created a big bearish candle on the weekly charts, which has broken the last 4 weeks low. So such price action indicates the bearish sentiment prevailing in the market, specifically before the Union Budget of 2021. Now on the daily chart, the Nifty has broken its 50 days moving average and closed below it, which confirms bearishness in the short term. After giving a series of bearish divers in the market, now the daily momentum indicators are also coming out of its oversold territory. From technical perspective, the immediate support for the market is placed at 13,524, followed by 13,144. And on the higher side, major supply is placed at 13,966 and above that at 14,222. Seeing the current situation in the market, strategy specifically for positional as well as short-term traders should be there. That long position could be only created if the broader market reverses the trend and Nifty sustains above the key resistance zone of 13,966 level. One can initiate long and keep a strict stop loss of 13,596 for the all long position. For the next week, we have identified two stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader market. First one is VEDL Limited, also known as Vedanta Limited, currently trading somewhere near to 161. One can buy on minor dip around 158 with a stop loss placing at 150 for an upside potential of 175. Another counter which seems to be a strong candidate is Sun Pharma, currently trading at 586.20 paisa. One can buy at current market price or on minor dip around 580 with a stop loss placing at 550 for an upside potential of 625. So that's it for the current week. See you on next Friday. Thank you very much.